I'm very grateful that my dad is so fanatic of football. He loves football and he came to every game to watch me. Doesn't matter where it was, 2 hours away. My mom was more staying home, cooking, and supportive as well. It's the same thing.
I signed in a professional club at 10, and where I come from, it's not easy. They support me all the time. They give advice.
What I'm missing about Somalia is my family. Like my dad's side and mum's side are still there. To be honest, I've not the chance to go back, but when I do, I'm going to make the most of it and enjoy it.
What I want to achieve is, of course, to get to the first team of Liverpool. Hopefully be a regular player for Liverpool.
I will work hard for that, to be a very good player, like Bobby said, legend, like Salah.
I know there's no big dreams, but I believe in myself and I think I can achieve them dreams.
And especially like being a manager, you can achieve a lot of things, and that's also like winning as many trophies as I can as a player, and then from then hopefully, whatever comes.